Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia, if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with Tinashe Hair. They sent me over this 14-inch body wave 5x5 frontal. It's beautiful. It comes curled. It is convenient, beginner friendly, and you need it. And it's short. It's just giving class. It's giving professionalism. It's giving sexy. I love her. Anyway, if you guys want to see me unbox this wig, see everything that comes with it, put it on, all of that good stuff, please continue to watch. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I'm done. This wig is absolutely gorgeous and it looks so professional. I just feel so professional wearing this, and it already came curled up for you, so you don't even have to curl it. The only thing I did was curl this little swoop right here. Wasn't even necessary. And then I also cut some layers in just because I wanted it to be just like a little bit fuller, and when you comb it out like this, you'll be able to, it'll look fuller like this. But also not necessary, but that's just what I like. It looks so good, and the curls that it comes with hold, I mean, they're holding, and then you could twist them up and make them uniform if you want to. You know, everything is about preference, y'all. Whatever you like, you can do. But yes, the hair feels great. I did pluck a little bit on the hairline just so it wasn't like straight across, just a tiny little bit. It took probably 30 seconds. It wasn't tedious at all. And you can like comb it out and make it like messy. I need to get my black dresser like out of the back of my frame. There we go, that's better. But yeah, it looks really good. The top is nice and flat. I went in with my hot comb and laid it, put a little concealer on the lace parting, and yeah, it looks really good. I love it. Let me show y'all the back real quick. Looking real good, looking real nice, giving body. Ooh, not the lip gloss. Giving body. If I had a Beyonce fan right now, I would be Beyonceing, okay? So, but yes, the hair looks really healthy. The ends look really good. It's holding a curl. It already comes curled. For the girls that don't want to curl your hair, it comes curled. And this hair is holding the curl. It's holding the curl together. Yes, baby. This is cute. We're starting out the year right. You hear me? We're starting the year off right. Yes, I love it. Okay, so again, real quick, this wig is from Tinashe Hair, 16 inches, body wave. The density will be in the description box along with all the other information, direct links, all that good stuff will be in the description box. Also, you guys, I am having a giveaway. And if you guys want to win this wig and some gifts, make sure you guys comment below, put your Instagram, and I will contact you on Instagram if you won. So yeah, don't miss out on these wigs, y'all. Comment below your Instagram so you can win these wigs. I can't keep them all. I feel guilty.